In today's episode, we'll be drawing Aggretsuko.
Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are
K. What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of KDrawDraw. We hope that this episode finds you well. In this episode, we'll be drawing one of the more recent Sanrio characters, Aggretsuko. Aggretsuko is based off a 10-part mini-series on Netflix, so you should catch it if you have not. It's quite a cool series. So to start off, we'll be drawing the head, just a semicircle at the base of the head, and then it's two straight lines at the side which are slanted inwards, and then followed by a curve at the top. So currently I'm sketching with red pencil. Moving on, next I'll be drawing the part of the mouth on the face. So it peaks right around the middle of the head, sort of like a triangular shape or part of a diamond shape, if you will. And now I'm working on her eyes. So it's just an oval shape followed by sort of like a small rectangular shape, top right hand corner for the right eye to indicate her lashes. Same on the other side, on the left. Just refining the size of her eyes. Now I'm going to draw her mouth, which is just a U shape. Next, we'll be drawing her nose, which is basically a triangular shape with rounded corners touching up the side of her mouth. Just rounding them up. Even draw a semicircle to the side of her mouth. For the patterns on her face, as Aggretsuko is after all a red panda, there's many details on her face. Now I'm drawing the white portion of her face, which is just a series of zigzag lines that are curved downwards. And then I'm adding two circles, one on top of each eye. Okay, I'm refining the shape of her head. So during the drawing phase, as usual, you're gonna be taking your own time. Do not rush the drawing. You're gonna make sure that you get the proportions right. And now we'll be working on her ears. So for her ears, it's just a series of zigzag lines beside her eye area, and then from the top of the head you're gonna extend out around 2 o'clock and then head straight down to join the lines, and then you're gonna add sort of like a triangle shape for the inner part of her ear. And then you have to repeat the same process on the left side. Make sure you get the size of her ears equal. And that's about it for the face. Moving on, we'll be doing a body, which is about the same size as her mouth area. So you want to take that as a reference. So Aggretsuko is renowned for wearing office wear, as she's an office worker. So her dressing is always on point. Right, just a straight line below sort of her top for the skirt. Now I'm working on the legs, which is kind of like a U shape, and then sort of like a semicircle around her legs, which is her shoes. You want to draw the other leg, which is for this case it's raised to the sides. So same thing, U shape, and then followed by a semicircle at the bottom to indicate the shoes. You want to make sure that both of her legs look like they are of the same width and height. Currently I'm sketching the collars on her top. So it's just a V below her neck and then a series of zigzag lines on the sides. Okay, moving on to her tail area, which is just a U shape facing around 8 o'clock, and then you want to add a vertical line downwards, or should I say sideways, around 2 or 3 lines to indicate the different tones of colors found on the tail. Alright, our drawing is almost done. We are moving on to her arms. So it's just a circle, and then a series of lines to join to the shoulder. That's it. Alright, currently I'm going over with blacks just to make the drawing stand out more, and just to confirm my lines, coloring her in with sort of like a navy blue and a darker tone of orange for her skin, and some browns for her ears and her tail. I'm removing some of the black lines and just touching up on the color. Adding on some outlines to make the drawing stand out more, make it livelier. And that's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and do like, comment and subscribe. Do recommend us what you would like us to draw in the future. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Mr. K. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.